Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chinyaka and I'm the creative lead of this page. Let me show you how to make this orthogele side bow versus roses, multiple roses with just 2.5 strips of ashoke. Before then, if you are just joining me, you are welcome to this page. Hit up the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell button, like, comment and share. And then again, do where to click the link at the description box to join our WhatsApp group. So as you can see, I'm trying to count it half, 1, 2, so that's 2.5. Now I've gone ahead to join them, but before then I'm going to show you guys the measurement respectively. So because we are managing the fabric, I make 4 strands of it. So the measurement goes in 23 inches. You are going to see it shortly. Can you see the first measurement? While the second measurement is going to go in for 28 inches. I'm going to bring up the tape for you guys to see right away. Hope you can see that. Then the third measurement goes in 31 inches. Okay, the last measurement but not the least goes in 43 inches. The tape is going to be up soon. Of course, you all know how to join your pinnacle ashoke the way we joined it. So if you don't know, I'm going to put up the full tutorial on how to make pinnacle orthogele in the right corner. Please do wait to click and watch, and also the link is at the description box. So these little pieces of fabric, I'm going to measure it out for our rows. I measure 20 inches, but because I've joined the two both edges, it now reduced to 18 inches. Okay, so we are trying to manage this fabric right here. So, and also I've gone ahead to make my base. If you're looking forward on how to make base, the link is at the description box. Click and watch. So I'm going to start making my plate, but because this is 4, I'm trying to manage it. I will not have to, go process by making 2 plates before going into pinnacle the way we are doing it. I'll start my pinnacle right immediately as I'm making my plate and making my pinnacle. If you're looking how to make pinnacle, I will attach the video right at the right side of my corner. Please click and watch it. This video is actually an illustration on how to manage your fabric to make pinnacle. But the main design that we are working on is that side roses at the how to achieve it. Please do watch and understand, okay? I'll be coming in bit by bit to explain when necessarily, right? Thank you and do enjoy your view. I've gathered my pinnacle. If you're looking on how to achieve this pinnacle, the video is up there. Please click and watch it to understand better, right? So I've gone ahead to gather my pinnacle, and I'm trying to gather the the side fan. So I'm going to be gathering the fan. Just watch carefully to see how I gather this side fan right here. I pick a little bit of bead, and I slant it like a triangular formed, and I join it together like that. I'll continue like that until I exhaust this fabric this right side before I will move to the other side. So as you can see, I'm moving to the other side, but that's not the same thing that we repeated on the other side we are repeating here. So we're making it halfway. So halfway, I've already clipped it down like that. So this is the leftover fabric. We are not doing the same thing that we did the other side. This is the trick here. This is what we are working on. So I just removed, my plate, the 2 plates, leaving the upper 2 like that. I'm going to detach it from that place that is joining. I don't know how to explain it. So I'm using my razor blade to detach it a little bit, stopping in that halfway where the first clip, stopped. Right, so I'll go ahead to stitch the edges, the both edges like that, and I'll come back. So I've gone ahead to stitch it. Let's go ahead to make that roses that you saw there. So let's go ahead to make it. So all you got to do is that pushing your fabric inward like that, making a row. Please watch carefully, you understand. Make sure you push it like that. Then from the up part, you pick a little bit of bead like that. Make sure that as you are doing, you are securing. Please watch carefully to understand. So this is that. So after that, after making it like this, you go ahead to secure with your office pin. Continue watching. If I'm explaining, you might not understand. Okay. as many pins as possible to secure your roses. Please, you have suffered to make it and you will not want it to unravel. So that is that. After securing, I'll come back. So at that middle part where my hand is showing, I'll go ahead to secure that part. I'll push in my thread and bring it out and push it inward all the way up to down. Then I rolled my needle round the fabric like that, and I will secure it underneath. Then after that, I'll go ahead to secure my first handle. I'll go ahead to arrange the edges of that handle very well. I'll arrange all the pleats, making sure that everything is aligning. Then afterwards, I'll go ahead to insert in my needle and thread to secure that part. You insert in your needle and thread all the way from the down to the up, and then you put in your thread. After that, you make a round, the thread around the fabric, and you go ahead to secure very firmly and tight. Okay. Securing, cut out the excesses of it, and moving on to the other side, I'll go ahead to tack every bit that pins are showing all over that roses like that. Everywhere pins are showing, replace the pins with your needle and thread by removing away the pins, and you will continue like that until you exhaust everywhere the pins are showing. Tack it so that it will be firmly and sits in one particular position. I'll come back. Afterwards, I'm using these little pieces of fabric. I'm going to measure it out 5 inches by 2 inches, just a leftover fabric like that. I'm going to use it to cover out that middle part where we firstly tied and make a round all over. So I'm just going to fold my fabric inward, the fringe part. I fold it inward, the two sides, and I'll place it on top of that place that thread are showing, and I'll roll it over like that. And after that, I'll go ahead to tack with needle and thread to make it stick in one place. I set it aside. I bring in my 20 inches fabric, and I'll go ahead to make rows. But before then, I'm going to fold the fabric into 2 equal halves to get the midpoint. Then I'll go ahead to make a bow. Firstly, you make your bow like this. If you don't know how to make bow, this is it. Please watch carefully. Then after gathering the fabric at the middle like that, I go ahead to use my needle and thread to secure it first of all before I proceed in working whatever it is I want to work on it. After securing, I flip in my fabric. I go ahead like this to pick a little bead, all the way from up to middle. Then you gather everything to the middle part like that, as you can see my hand. Please watch carefully. Yeah, watch carefully. You will grab every bit of it. So you secure every bit of the rose, you bring it on to the midpoint where you firstly secured and make a bow. So after making sure that you secure, leaving the top pointing out because we need it to give us a unique, rose like that. Then afterwards, you go ahead to secure with your face pin. Then you repeat the same thing that you did on this part to the second fabric, right? And I'll come back. Wow, so our roses is gorgeous, blue roses, but this is not the cash. Please continue watching to understand better, right? So I'm going to go ahead to fold in the two roses together like this. That is the cash, but we are not done yet. So after folding into two equal half like this, I'll go ahead to use my office pin to secure the both together like that, okay? Then afterwards, I place it on the side, the remaining side, that place that is opening. I place it that place and I will secure with office pin. After securing with office pin, I'll go ahead to tack everywhere that pins are showing. I replace it with my needle and thread, and afterwards I go ahead to attach this handle that is remaining on this side, and also I'll go ahead to attach my upper pleat to the base. I didn't film that part because I felt that it's not necessary. We have a couple of videos in this channel that shows how to make base. Please do it. Go and click it. The link is at the description box. Go and click it and watch. And that is that for that. I hope you love what you are seeing, and it's so unique and beautiful. Do well to try it and let me know what you think about it, right? Again, if you are yet to join us on our WhatsApp group, please do well to click the link at the description box to join us. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.